Hey y'all, welcome back to Media.io Basics. Today we're going to take a look at how to make these subtitles in just a few clicks with AI. Let's get started. First up, go to Tools, then Auto Subtitles. Then click Generate Subtitles Online. Next, let's click to upload and find our clip to add subtitles to. Now our clip is in the timeline section at the bottom of the screen. Click Auto Subtitles. Let's go to the drop-down menu up here and make sure our clip is selected. And click to make sure we have the right language as well. Now we're ready. So hit Generate. It should only take a few moments. Now let's watch our clip back and see how it looks. You are now watching a test video to see how these subtitles look. Let's go to the left side of the screen and make sure all of the text is correct. If something's wrong, just double-click and fix the text. Now let's work on changing the look of our subtitles. On the timeline, click on the first text section. Then on the right side of the screen here, we can edit the text. You can look through all the different presets here. They look really cool. Just click on one to apply it to your subtitles. You can also change the font here and change the size with this drop-down box. You can also add a fill or an outline to the text. When you're happy with it, click Apply to all subtitles. This will make sure it affects all of your text across your entire video. To end off, let's click and drag to find a good place for the subtitles to sit on the screen. After that, we can watch it back and see how it looks. This is a test video to see how the subtitles work. Looks great. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to leave any questions you might have in the comments below, and I'm gonna make sure to answer as many as I can. See you next time. While you're waiting for my next tutorial to come out, you should check out the other AI tools on this website. There is so much to see. There's also a bunch of templates on here, and they kind of remind me of Canva, but for video. It's really, really, really cool. So go check out everything that Media.io has to offer, and I'll see you next time.